what am I sticking my hand into?
One of the common missteps of pool maintenance is if you can't see it, it doesn't need to be maintained. Here we have an autofill reservoir, and there you have the results. This becomes a cesspool of bacteria and algae and mold and organic debris, and it simply needs to be looked at and cleaned out. If you don't have a pool maintenance service that's comprehensive, give us a call. Okay? It just becomes a pit of trash and moss and mildew and bacteria and algae because of a simple lack of maintenance.